Hey everyone, Kathy here, and today I'm going to be making a loaf of cool citrus basil soap. This fragrance is from Voyageur Soap and Candle, and it smells really lovely. There's a bit of green fragrance and a touch of the citrus. Really nice, and I think it's going to be wonderful in a soap. My plans are first to find my goggles. And here they are. And I want to do like a soft yellow soap with 2 different colors of green swirled in, just a little bit. And so I also need to find my swirling tool, which I know was just here the other day. There it is. I see it in my little mess of sticks and swirlers. So anyway, yeah, I just want to swirl a little bit of the green in with hopefully like a really light yellow soap. So I'm just kind of adjusting my little stirrer here, my swirler, just to make sure it fits in my mold good. And we're going to get started. Goggles on. I finally decided it was time to switch to another mixer. Mine was getting a little funky around the attachment, how to put it on and off. So this is a new one. I haven't used it yet. It was given to me by another gal. She makes dog treats, and I don't know, it wasn't working for her. Anyway, my husband managed to get it working. So we'll see how it does. It's a Cuisinart. So hopefully it does a good job. I think I have another old one laying around somewhere. It's always good to have a couple in case one goes belly up. So we're going to get started here. Pouring my lye in. I'll get that off to the side. So I'm going to blend it a bit and then pour off of the little bits that I'm going to do a light swirl with. I can tell this isn't as powerful of a mixer as my old one. I do have it on low, but still. And this particular recipe, I also added in some hemp seed oil because I tested a bar of my hemp seed oil soap the other day and I just loved the lather. And anyway, it was really a beautiful lather, really soft. So basically using kind of the same recipe, just fragrancing and coloring it differently. So pour a little bit here. See, just a little, because I just want a little bit of a swirl. Same here. Okay. Set that there. I just want to wipe my finger off here. I don't want to dribble all over the place. So I've got it's a green, let's see, this one is green chrome oxide from Brambleberry. So put that there. This is my lime green mojito, which is going in here. Really nice, light, springy green. So they should contrast nicely. This is my titanium dioxide is going in here, And I'm going to mix that some more with my hand mixer just to make sure that it's well blended in there. Let me set that there. And then I'm going to add a little bit of yellow to this to see what we can get. So I'm going to just add a touch of yellow. Trap that under my mixer. It's pretty nice. I'm going to add a little bit more. A little bit at a time is good until you get, it's better than doing too much. And having it be too yellow. So I think just one more little touch and I'm going to call it good. Now I'm going to pour in my fragrance and just a touch in each of these. Most of it in here. And I'm actually going to hand stir this just because it's a new fragrance. I haven't used it yet. From what I read, it's not supposed to accelerate, but I don't want to take any chances. Okay. So we're just going to, actually, I'm going to use a different, I'm going to use this one. This one I can handle a little better. So this is nice and fluid still. Smells good. I think this will be a nice addition to my subscription boxes in the summer and my grab bags over on Etsy. So, okay, I'm going to pour this in. I'm going to save some out. And then I'm going to stir and swirl these in. Here goes our lime mojito. Like so. Scrape that out. And our chrome, our darker green oxide. This is a nice darker green. Going from up high. And we'll save some of that for the top. And actually, I don't know if I'm going to need my swirler. Just because I think pouring this in swirled it enough. I believe. So just cleaning out my bowl here. And this soap I plan on stamping and beveling with Victor's products. I have a really pretty stamp picked out. And I think once it's beveled, it's going to look beautiful. Oh, heavens. Scraping this bowl. My goodness. Just trying to get every little bit out. So there's that. Let me add my final bit of green on top. Sort of messy. Let's see, get that down here. And I don't think I have too much of this left. I think I pretty much got all that out. And I plan on putting my lid on this one. So I'm cleaning the sides, and then we'll give it a little. Actually, let me bang this down. So there's that. And a pretty little swirl on the top. I'm not using glitter. I know. It would look really pretty with glitter. But I'm resisting the temptation. Good enough. Good enough. Beautiful swirl on the top. Isn't that pretty? So we'll put the lid on, and then we'll come back tomorrow and cut it with chopper and bevel it and use our soap stamp. And hopefully it's going to look gorgeous, darlings. So we'll be right back. All right, we're back, and I just finished doing some beautiful bath truffles. I wanted to show you guys. I have these listed on Etsy right now. So they're in cranberry, and they're just adorable. Aren't they cute? Packed with tons of cocoa butter. You just pop one into your bath, and they dissolve and leave your skin so soft. But aren't they just beautiful? So anyway, go over and check out our Etsy site, and you can order yourself some freshly made bath truffles. I set these down over here, and we'll get to cutting with chopper our citrus basil soaps. I already sliced the ends off, and it looks beautiful. I probably still could have took my swirly tool around and giving it an extra little whip around there, but they're still pretty. Anyway, here's our first slice. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at the colors. I think they're the perfect colors for this soap. And I just love how chopper cuts. It works really well. Very pretty. Clean my wire there. These will be, like I said before, in our subscription boxes and grab bags. Coming up in probably May, I'm thinking. It's got some really pretty glycerin rivers in here. I don't know if you can see them. Look at that. I think they're beautiful. Very cool. Very, very cool. Let's see how many. I should get a few more out of this. There's that one. And the last cut, like so. That side. And I'm going to try and stamp these and bevel these. Let me put this down here. I'll do one because I'm running low on battery. But we'll get one beveled. There's that. I love this tool. This is from Soap Stamps for You over on Etsy. And they work really well. Gives your soap a nice bevel. And then my soap might be too soft, but I'm going to try. This is the stamp I picked out for today. I'm just going to spray it with a little bit of alcohol. And kind of right in the center. And there's our stamp. Very cute. And we'll do one more. Trying not to push down too far. But there's our other little stamp. And we'll continue to bevel and stamp these, but for now, thanks for popping in, and I'll save my phone battery before we run out. But thanks for watching, everyone, and we'll catch you on the next video. Bye for now.